It was the year 1692, in the small, superstitious village of Ravenwood. Shadows danced across the crooked houses as the moon lit the cobblestone streets. In those days, fear ruled the hearts of the people. Fear of witches. Martha, a kind but misunderstood herbalist, lived on the outskirts of the village. One morning, a young boy was found ill, muttering strange words in his fever. The villagers whispered that it was Martha's doing.
She cursed him.
The town square became a storm of voices.
Bring the witch!
Let her confess.
That evening, a mob carrying torches marched to Martha's cottage. Martha was dragged from her home, pleading her innocence.
I'm not a witch.
But the villagers saw the strange symbols carved into her wooden table, runes of protection, not harm. To them, it was proof of her dark power. They brought her to the old church, now a makeshift courtroom. The reverend, with cold eyes, interrogated her.
Confess your sins, witch!
But Martha refused, standing firm. The villagers grew restless. They spoke of signs, cows not giving milk, strange lights in the sky, and whispers in the woods. All blamed on her. As the mob carried Martha to the hanging tree, she whispered something under her breath. The reverend leaned closer.
What did you say?
Martha's voice grew louder.
You judge me with fire and fear, but the curse is already upon you.
The villagers hesitated, their courage faltering. Suddenly, the torches blew out, leaving them in darkness. A chilling wind howled through the trees, and a shadowy figure appeared, floating above them.
You dared to harm one of my own.
It said in a voice that echoed through the night. The villagers screamed and fled, but none escaped. By morning, Ravenwood was abandoned. The village remains empty to this day, cursed by the mark of the witch. And if you listen closely, you can still hear the whispers of those who dared to harm the innocent. Here are some questions for you. See if you can answer them. 1. Why did the villagers accuse Martha of being a witch? 2. What happened after the villagers tried to harm Martha? 3. What do you think the story is trying to teach us about fear and judgment? Thanks for watching. Write your answers in the comments below and let us know if you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe for more.